To the religious conference had a discussion on this, and the resolution was passed unanimously by the conference. Resolution of heartfelt gratitude to His Holiness the Great 14thDalai Lama. On September 24, 2011, during the 11th Tibetan Religious Conference, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the savior and symbol of Tibetans, Dharma King of the Three Realms, said, "As far as 1969, I made clear that concerned people should decide whether the Dalai Lama's reincarnation should continue in the future." His Holiness further expressed, "When I reach the age of Kendil Trup, I will consult the high lamas of the Tibetan Buddhist traditions, the Tibetan public and other concerned people who follow Tibetan Buddhism, and re-evaluate whether the Dalai Lama's reincarnation should continue or not. On that basis, we will take a decision." Consequently, various sections of people, including the participants of the 14th Tibetan Religious Conference, Special General Meeting, Special General Tibetan Conference, Tibetans both in and outside Tibet, Buddhist brothers and sisters from Himalayan region, Mongolia, China, and believers across the globe, appealed an earnest request with single-minded devotion was appealed to His Holiness the Dalai Lama to continue the institution of the Dalai Lama for the benefit of all sentient beings in general and Buddhists in particular. In response to this overwhelming supplication, His Holiness has shown infinite compassion and finally agreed to accept our appeal on this special occasion of his 90th birthday. Hence, during the 15th Tibetan Religious Conference held in Dharamsala, the participants of the conference, led by eminent lamas of different religious traditions, representatives and devotees, conveyed their heartfelt gratitude to His Holiness the Dalai Lama for his grandeur and kindness, and reached a consensus on the following important points. 1. The participants of the 15th Tibetan Religious Conference, led by esteemed religious heads and realized masters of different religious traditions, made the unanimous resolution to support His Holiness the Dalai Lama's precious words on this significant subject, and this statement shall be made public far and wide. Number 2, the core process of recognizing the reincarnation of His Holiness the Dalai Lama is as per the unique Tibetan Buddhist tradition. Hence, we not only strongly condemn the People's Republic of China's usage of reincarnation subject for their political gain, and we shall never accept it. Number 3, Tibetans both inside and outside Tibet made a pledge to maintain national unity of solidarity and continue to struggle for the just cause of Tibet in a bid to extend wholehearted cooperation to the fulfillment of His Holiness the Dalai Lama's noble wishes and aspirations. So these are the 3 points that we have unanimously resolved on in the religious conference.